Alright, we're at the side door. It's Saturday, March 8th. See, look. Yeah, we got some snow overnight. I can't open... I can open my door. It's very difficult. Can't open it any further. I would say we have about, I don't know, good 8 inches of snow. It's still blowing. Oh! Scott, you can't really see it, but there's major snowdrift in front of the car, between the car and the van. And the driveway looks very pretty. The snow shovel is buried, and we have some drifting. And I am very glad I don't have to go anywhere today. See, we get the drift in the car. Yeah, and we're supposed to get another 6 inches today. Hooray!